Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made these big beautiful blueberry waffles. This is a really easy recipe and they come out nice and thick. Let me show you how I made them. So this is a 2-cup measuring cup. I need 2 cups of buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk. I'm going to make it. This is 2 tablespoons of vinegar and I'm going to fill it up to 2 cups with low-fat milk. And I just made buttermilk. Give it a little stir, and it'll start to thicken just like buttermilk. This is a bowl, and I have 2 cups of frozen blueberries. You can use regular blueberries that are fresh, but I had frozen. I let them thaw. I patted them dry, and I added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and just mix it all together and set it to the side. Here's another bowl. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to mix it together. These are my dry ingredients. My buttermilk is ready. Get another bowl, and let's start building our wet ingredients. Here's my buttermilk and 1 stick of melted butter that's a little bit cooled. You don't want it really hot because you're adding 2 eggs that are beaten and half a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that up. Those are your wet ingredients. So now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Mix that together. Now I'm going to fold in my blueberries with a big spoon. Just be gentle. Fold them in, mix them in. Now my batter is ready. I have a hot waffle iron and I sprayed it with a non-stick spray. I'm going to add about 1.5 spoons filled right in the middle. That works for me. And then you just cook them for it could be anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. The steam is totally normal. 3 minutes works for me. And don't worry if they're not totally perfect or the whole thing is filled. It's better to underfill than to overfill. So, you kind of get the hang of it after a while how much to put in. But they come out really good, nice and thick. 3 minutes for me works perfectly. I like them a little bit crunchy, but not too crunchy. So anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. These come out super tasty. And they're nice and thick. Look at that. Very nice. So what I like to do is I make a lot. I make a lot of waffles, and then you got to let them completely cool off. Like this, I just put them off to the side like that, let them cool off. Then I get a big baggie. I date it, and I put them in the freezer. So I always have them on hand. So these are big blueberry waffles. Thank you for watching.